Ever sit down ready to create but feel completely stuck? Like your creativity has disappeared. I know that frustration all too well, but here's the thing, it's not gone. Art block can sometimes feel like a wall, but today I want to help you break through it. And stick around because I saved my best tip for last. Let's get started. The first tip? Give yourself permission to make bad art. Sometimes we get so caught up in perfection that it paralyzes us. Start with anything, even if it doesn't feel great. What matters most is the act of creating, not always the result. When I feel stuck, I just start scribbling or playing with colors. It breaks the fear of the blank page and lets my mind relax. Remember, art block often happens when we're too focused on the outcome. This brings you back to enjoying the process. Another big help, change your environment. Go outside, bring a sketchbook, or even just switch rooms in your house. Sometimes new surroundings can spark fresh ideas. Stepping out of your usual space brings new inspiration. It's like pressing reset on your creative brain, helping you see things differently. But what if you're in the middle of a project and hit a wall? This is where persistence comes in. If something feels difficult, it's usually because you're growing. Take breaks, step back, but don't give up on the piece. The breakthrough always comes after the hardest part. Art isn't meant to be easy, and trust me, pushing through those moments is where you'll really see growth. Now, for what I think is the best way to shake off art block, art challenges. Whether it's using a limited color palette, sketching with your opposite hand, or experimenting with a completely new style, these challenges push you out of your comfort zone, and that's where creativity really starts flowing. Art challenges don't just push you, they help you discover what you're truly capable of. Sometimes the most unexpected results are the ones that surprise you the most. So if you're feeling some art block right now, give yourself permission to create freely. Change your environment, don't give up, and definitely try an art challenge. Your creativity is still there, just waiting for you to unlock it. For more art tips and advice, check out this playlist right here. And if you haven't yet, please subscribe. Thank you so much for watching. Bye, friends.